Good afternoon, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at Dhue Charitable Societies, Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. In previous video, we have studied about the first important class in beta-lactam antibiotic, that was your penicillins. We have studied chemistry of penicillins, mechanism of action, degradation of penicillin, classification, and drugs like benzyl penicillin, penicillin V, ampicillin, cloxacillin, and carbapenicillin. In today's video, we are going to see the second class of your beta-lactam antibiotic, that is cephalosporins. In today's lecture, in beta-lactam antibiotics, we are going to see the second class, that is your cephalosporins. Cephalosporins also have the same mechanism of action as that of your penicillins. That is, it produces its effect by inhibiting the synthesis of mucopeptide, which indirectly results in defective cell wall formation, and it makes more susceptible to the death by bursting. That is, the bacterial cell wall swells and it leads to burst. If you see the source of cephalosporin is certain strains of Cephalosporium, and by some semisynthetic methods or semisynthetic process. In case of chemistry, this is your first point, that is, it consists of beta-lactam ring, which is 4-membered cyclic amide structure. This beta-lactam ring is fused with 2,3-dihydrothiazine ring. This is your 2,3-dihydrothiazine ring, and this is your beta-lactam ring. Both of them are fused with each other so that carbon and nitrogen atoms are common to both the rings, which gives 3-cepum ring. The presence of double bond. Next point says that the presence of double bond between third and fourth position is responsible to maintain the beta-lactam ring size and also to increase resistance towards beta-lactamase enzyme. In case of penicillins, we have seen that beta-lactamase enzyme is responsible for degradation of your penicillins or cephalosporins or beta-lactam antibiotics. The presence of double bond at third and fourth position in case of cephalosporins increases the resistance towards the beta-lactamase enzyme. Carboxylic acid group is present at C4 position. This is your carboxylic acid group, which is present at the 4th position. Amino group is present at 7th position. This is your amino group, which is present at the 7th position. This is about chemistry of your cephalosporins. We will revise it again. Beta-lactam ring is fused with 2,3-dihydrothiazine ring so that the nitrogen and adjacent carbon atoms are common to both rings. After fusion, it gives 3-cepum heterocyclic ring. There is a presence of double bond between third position of carbon and fourth position of carbon so that it increases resistance towards beta-lactamase enzyme. Carboxylic acid group is present at C4 position and amino group is present at C7 position. Next, that is classification. Cephalosporins are classified according to their route of administration. The first one orally administered and the second one, that is by parental route of administration. Cephalosporins which are administered by oral route are cephalaxin, cefaridine, and drugs which are administered by parental route according to their sensitive towards beta-lactamase or resistance towards beta-lactam. These are your two subclasses, beta-lactamase sensitive and beta-lactamase resistance. Example of beta-lactamase sensitive, that is cephalothene, cephaloridine, Beta-lactam is resistance, that is cefuroxime, cefoxitin, etc. Now let us see the drugs which are for your syllabus. First one, that is cephalexin. Cephalexin, if you see the properties, it is white crystalline powder, characteristic odor, it is slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol, in ether and in chloroform. Uses, it is used in treatment of respiratory tract infections, skin infections, bone and joint infections, dental infections, etc. Stability storage condition, it is affected by light and moisture, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers in a cool and dry place. Official preparation, cephalexin capsule IPBP, cephalexin oral suspension IPBP, cephalexin tablet IPBP, brand names cephalexin, Neosep, etc. Then the next drug, that is cephaloridine. Properties, it is white crystalline powder, slight odor, it is soluble in water, slightly soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in ether and in chloroform. Uses, it is used to treat urinary and respiratory tract infections, skin infections, bone and joint infections, etc. Stability storage condition, it gets discolored on exposure to air and also affected by light. Therefore, it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a temperature between 8 to 15 degrees Celsius. Official preparation, cephaloridine injection, which is official here IP and BP. Brand name, Cephalodine is a famous trade name or brand name of cephaloridine. And the last drug is cephalothin. Properties, it is white crystalline powder, odorless, it is freely soluble in water, practically insoluble in chloroform. Stability storage, it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Uses, same as under cephaloridine. Official preparation, cephalothin injection, which is official near IP and BP. Thank you.